Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to click on Home Screen and Wallpaper over here and select Themes. After that, tap on the best one for you. I will go with Golden Sand and select Apply. Then you need to wait a bit, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time select More Themes. Now you need to click on the search bar or just select the best one for you. I will go with Discover, choose, or maybe Categories, it will be easier. Choose Themes, go with Tab 3. Tap on the best one. Oh, this one's pretty. Choose Free Download, wait a bit. Click on Apply. Choose Discard. And select Home button. As you can see, after that, theme of my device was changed again. But if you wish to go back into the default theme, you can always do that by tapping on Settings, choosing Home Screen and Wallpaper, tapping on Themes, and choosing one of those three, like for example, Tropical Holiday. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!